Alright guys, homestead know-how, life is good. So what we have here is ants. And our solution for ants, as you can see, they're just falling down. Watch them. They just fall down the hill. Alright, so what are we using? And I'll probably mispronounce this because I always do, but you can see they're falling down the hill. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth. So what it does is it penetrates their exoskeleton and it kills them. And guess what? It's not harmful to your garden. It's not a pesticide. It's not a herbicide. It's not anything of the sense. But apparently it's super fine and super sharp. So it penetrates their exoskeleton. And I took his pole and now what I done is I took and I put a ring around the outside of the mound. Then I sprinkled and covered the mound. Then I disturbed the mound. So I took a stick and shoved it down in it and just done a motion like this. And then as they were coming out, I added even more. Like watch, just do like this. Just sprinkle it on the top. Now watch. Watch what they do. Now I'll come back out here tomorrow and this will be no more. Alright, so it's that simple. And this works for pretty much any bug with an exoskeleton. You know, you can put this in your chicken's dust bath. They can, you know, it'll get rid of their fleas or any bugs and stuff they might have. See them gathered down there on the bottom? Right down in there. But they can't function. It's penetrating their exoskeleton and killing them. It's that simple. And I would assume, now we had some red ants here, but I'm not 100% sure that they're fire ants, not these, but we had another mound. Not 100% sure it was fire ants, but they did mound up pretty high, which is typical for fire ants. So I took and done the same thing with it, covered it real good, stuck the pole down in it, disturbed the nest, and then as they was coming out, I put more on, and come back a couple days later to check to see, and no activity at all, and they've not showed back up, so there's no satellite colonies, you know, no other instances where we've seen them. So you can see them, they're still down in there. Alright guys, I got the diatomaceous earth that I have. I bought it in a bag at Rural King. You can probably get it at Co-op, Tractor Supply, some of the other places like that, but you can just see them pulling up down the bottom. They can't escape it because it automatically penetrates their exoskeleton. Alright, I'm gonna put a little more there. This is a good fix. You can put it around your foundation, around your plants, you know, around your pets. You know, we've not had any issues with it bothering any of our animals. So, you know, if you have hog pens or cows and you see mounds, you know, sprinkle around them, make a good ring, and then cover the mound and then disturb it. And as they're coming out, cover it some more and get rid of it. Homestead know-how, life is good. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all have a blessed day.